E is for elephant. Wow. Look at that. E is for elephant. Elephants are so cool and they are so big. In fact, elephants are the largest land animals in the whole wide world. That's right. Nothing on land is bigger than an elephant. Big, strong legs to hold up huge bodies. Look at them walk. Stomp, stomp, stomp. It's like a parade of giants. They live together in groups and take care of each other. Elephants are very kind, and they are super, super smart. It's so exciting to learn all about them today. Are you ready to become an elephant expert with me? Awesome. Let's look closer at this amazing animal. See its wrinkly gray skin? That skin is very thick and strong, which helps protect the elephant from the sun and from little bug bites. Elephants come in a few different types. Some live in the hot, sunny grasslands of Africa, and others live in the green, leafy forests of Asia. Even though they live in different places, they all have some really neat things in common. They love their families. Section 2. An amazing trunk. Whoa, check this out. Let's talk about the elephant's trunk. An elephant's trunk is so incredible. It's like a super long nose and an upper lip all joined together. It's one of the most useful tools an animal can have. Elephants use their trunks for so many things. First, they use it to breathe, just like we use our noses. They can stick their trunks up high out of the water to breathe, like a snorkel. Sniff, sniff. They also use their trunks to smell things from far away, helping them find delicious food or know if other animals are nearby. It's the best nose ever. But wait, there's more. The trunk is not just for smelling. It's also like a hand. At the very tip of the trunk, there are little finger-like parts. African elephants have 2 fingers. Asian elephants have 1. These little fingers are so good at grabbing things. An elephant can use its trunk to pick up something as big as a heavy log, or something as tiny as a single blade of grass. They can pluck yummy fruit from a tall tree, or pick up a small peanut from the ground. What about when an elephant gets thirsty? You guessed it. They use their trunk. An elephant can suck up lots of water into its trunk, gallons and gallons at a time. But here's a funny fact. They don't drink through their trunk like a straw. No way. Instead, they suck it up and spray it right into their mouth. Section 3. Big ears and mighty tusks. Look at those ears. Elephant ears are so big and floppy. Flap, flap, flap. An elephant's ears are like giant built-in fans. When an elephant gets hot under the bright sun, it flaps its big ears back and forth. The flapping motion helps cool down the blood in their ears, which then helps cool down their whole entire body. African elephants have the biggest ears, and some people say they're shaped like the continent of Africa. The ears aren't just for staying cool, though. They are also for hearing. With such enormous ears, elephants can hear sounds from very, very far away. They can hear another elephant's trumpet call from miles and miles across the savanna. This helps them stay in touch with their family and friends. It also helps them listen for any danger. Asian elephants have smaller, more rounded ears, but their hearing is still incredibly good. Now, let's talk about something else that makes some elephants stand out. Tusks. See those long, white, pointy things? Those are elephant tusks. Tusks are actually just really, really long teeth that grow right out of the elephant's mouth. Not all elephants have tusks. Some have very small ones, and some have none at all. They are made of something called ivory, which is very strong. Both male and female African elephants can grow long tusks, but usually only male Asian elephants have them. Elephants use tusks to dig for water, lift heavy things, and even mark trees to show where they've been. They can also protect their family if they feel threatened. It's important we help protect elephants and their beautiful tusks. Rumble, rumble. That's the sound of an elephant's tummy. Elephants love to eat, and they eat a lot. Elephants are herbivores. They only eat plants. No meat for these gentle giants. They spend most of their day, up to 16 hours, finding food and eating it. fresh green grass, tasty leaves from trees, the bark off of tree trunks, sweet, juicy fruit. They munch hundreds of kinds of plants. A grown-up elephant has a huge appetite. It can eat hundreds of pounds in one day, like a whole mountain of salad. They use their amazing trunks, reach up high, rip up big clumps and pop food in. Lots of chewing, big flat back teeth grind it up. They also need lots of water. Drinking is super important in hot places. A big elephant can drink up to 50 gallons a day. That's enough to fill a whole bathtub. River, lake, water hole. They slurp water with their trunks and spray it into their mouths. Finding water is a top job for the herd leader. As they eat, they spread seeds that help new trees and bushes grow. They even clear paths for smaller animals. While eating, they help the whole ecosystem stay healthy. How cool is that? Elephants are very social animals, which means they love to be with their friends and family. They live in groups called herds. A herd is mostly moms, grandmas, aunts, sisters, and their young babies, or calves. They do everything as a team, finding food, finding water, playing in the mud, and protecting each other. Being part of a herd keeps everyone safe and happy. Every herd has a leader called the matriarch. She's usually the oldest and wisest elephant, the boss mom. She remembers the best places to find food and water, even after a long time. All the other elephants trust her and follow her. Calves are playful and stay close to their mothers. Aunts and older sisters help look after the little ones, teaching them how to use their trunks and what foods to eat. They also teach them how to play. Elephants talk to each other and share their feelings. They make a loud trumpet when they are excited, scared, or saying hello from far away. They also make deep rumbles that can travel through the ground for miles. Elephants can feel those vibrations with their feet. They comfort each other with trunk hugs and friendly pats. Elephants are very smart problem solvers with big brains. They even use tools like branches to swat flies. They remember friends and important places for years. They love to splash and play. Mud baths keep skin safe from sun and bugs. We must be kind to elephants and help protect their homes in Africa and in Asia, so they can keep stomping, playing, and thriving for many years. They are a wonderful part of our world. If you like videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.